Let's be honest, we all have eating habits that we're not proud of. And it feels like no matter what we do, no matter how clean our diet is, we always end up falling back into these old eating habits again. But what if I told you that you can actually fix this in a few easy steps? And these steps will really change the game for you, so make sure to stick around to the very end so you do not miss out on all the things that we're going to be talking about if you want to see amazing results. Now, the first step to helping us to reach our goals is awareness. When we have awareness over our problem, we're able to understand how to come up with a structure or an approach so that we can see those results that I was just talking about. So if your goal is to get in more exercise, then try and plan a hike or a bike ride or a swim session or a yoga class or a Pilates class every single day in your calendar so that you can be reminded of movement that you need to get every single day. Now we have a structure and now we have a way to help us reach our goals. The last step would be reflection. Now we can look back at all the progress that we've made and appreciate ourselves and everything that we've had to work for. Making sure to wrap up our journey with a good reflection is going to help us to reach other goals that we have in life and change our lives overall.